Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. The sun is shining bright, the sky is blue. Wake up, farm, it's a brand new day. Let's all rise and shout, hooray, May! Mr. Rooster crows, it's time to rise. The cows are yawning, rubbing their eyes. Piggies roll and stretch in hay. Good morning, friends, let's start the day. The ducks go quack, the hens go cluck. The sheep say baa, oh, what good luck. Everyone's happy, the morning's new. Good morning, Mr. Rooster, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's morning time. The sun is shining, the bells all chime. Wake up, the day's begun. Let's laugh and play and have some fun. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the sky's so blue. The birds are singing for me and you. Good morning, friends, both big and small. Let's share some joy and greet them all. The horses trot and shake the mane. The kittens stretch again and again. The farmer waves, hey there crew, we've got so many chores to do. Gather the eggs and feed the sheep. Plant some seeds, no time to sleep. But even when there's work to do, the farm is fun with friends like you. Buzzing bees and butterflies dance beneath the morning skies. Mr. Rooster crows again. Wake up, farm, it's 10:30. Children laugh and run and play, chasing clouds the rooster away. With every crow, the farm feels bright, full of laughter, love, and light. Cock-a-doodle-doo, hooray, hooray! It's a perfect farmyard day. Good morning, sun, good morning, breeze. Good morning, flowers, birds, and trees. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the morning's through, but Mr. Rooster's proud of you. Thank you, farm, for all you do. Good morning, friends, and good day, too. It's time for lunch, the farmer said. The sun smiles down, the sky's still blue. Good morning, world, from me to you.